Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Vellabox unboxing and this is the box for May. If you missed last month's, I did get to unbox the April box and let me tell y'all, I have been burning the candle nonstop. I'll put a little clip in of what it looks like currently because I've been burning it every single day. It smells so good. So I'm excited to see what candle I got this month. I did get to pick this out because Vellabox is partnering with me and did send me this box in exchange for my review, but I will say they do a great job with their scent profile quiz. So you go in, you fill out what scent notes you like, what scent notes you don't like, and it puts you into a category. I will let you know what this month's scent category is. And let's go ahead and open it up. I do have a code as well, so I will put that up on the screen and I will leave that down in the description box below. So when you open this cute little box, this is what it looks like. Looks like the theme is peace in your home, peace in your mind, and peace in your heart, and peace in your soul, which is beautiful. I definitely have been focusing on things that bring me peace. I've been going to yoga a lot and really just trying to find things that make me happy. So this is really spot on for me. And then we do have our free gift. We do get this card as well that shows a little bit of information about the small business that Vellabox partnered with to send us these candles. And it does have a Spotify playlist as well as the information about our free gift. So let's go ahead and start with our free gift. This is the Lavender Silk Fragrance Oil. It is from Vellabox and it is a $22 value. It is their first ever release of a fragrance roll-on. That's exciting. As you would perfume or cologne, put it onto your pulse points, temples, wrists, neck, and behind the ears, and reapply to maintain the scent. It's part of their signature collection. Oh, and you can also get this as a candle. That's really cool. Primarily an herbal fragrance with notes of lavender, wild herbs, violet, cedar leaf, camphor, and eucalyptus. Ooh, okay. Let's see what it smells like. I love lavender. Let's see if I can smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. It's definitely not just like straight lavender. Like I can totally smell the other scents in there. That's really good. I'm really excited about that. And I might have to pick up the candle too because that smells really good. But I love a good fragrance roll-on. I like to keep these in my car in the days that I like forget to put perfume on or just to retouch throughout the day. So excited to have a new one, and this is really exciting. It's also just made with sweet almond oil, hazelnut oil, grapeseed oil, and the fragrance oil that I just talked about. So super good and clean, which we love. So let's go ahead and go into our beautiful candle. This is what the bag looks like this month. This is so cute. And this is from Rose West Studio, which is based in LA, so not that far away from me. Scent is focused on being transformative and an experience that's immersive. Each item is produced and handcrafted in small batches. They source with intention, supporting like-minded brands that share their mission to support AAPI and BIPOC communities whenever possible. I love that. I love a diverse company. So let's go ahead and see the candle jar. I do get the biggest candle subscription. Ooh, okay, this is a really pretty jar. So I got the citrus and hinoki, which has yuzu, bergamot, passion fruit, hinoki, and apricot wood. Whoa. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It's really fresh, really juicy. Like it kind of makes my mouth water. I want this as like a popsicle. I feel like this is like the most delicious summer cocktail. Minus the alcohol, which makes it so much better. Yummy. Okay, so this is part of the citrus family. It is a sweet summer feeling with an energized and sunny scent. Yum. I really like this one. Yummy. Okay, I'm super excited for my house to smell like that. And that is my Vellabox. I'm really happy with this month. I feel like this is a great candle scent. I totally forgot that I picked this one. It's a little bit outside of what I would normally go for, but I'm really excited about it. If you are interested in Vellabox, definitely go ahead and use my code to save yourself a little bit of money. And thank you so much to Vellabox for sending me this way. I loved my candle last month and I just know I'm going to love this one too. I'm so excited. So We love a candle, and this makes a great gift. I know Mother's Day just passed, but if you didn't get a gift for your mom or she wasn't happy with what you got, definitely go for a Vellabox subscription, because who doesn't love getting a candle? And all of them are clean burning, which is amazing. It doesn't give me a headache, which if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I suffer from serious headaches. So I try everything I can to make sure that that doesn't happen, and Vellabox does too. So I'm super excited. Let me know what you think. If you have Vellabox, what scent did you get? If you have tried any candles from the Rose West company, definitely let me know down below as well, and I will put their information in the description box too. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I super appreciate you being here, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!